I'm Daniel George and I'm Director of Bespoke Steel Fabrications. We started this business in 2018 and we mostly work with structural steel. We'd seen the brochure of the machine when we were looking at some different options, and the machine from the brochure looked something that we really wanted. So then we went to the open day and saw it in first hand, how effective the machine was and how quick it was at cutting the thicker plate. The main reason we went for it in the end was the ease of use of the software. We were really impressed with that, and just seeing its ability at cutting 20mm and 25mm plates, because a lot of our work is base plates for buildings, and that's usually 25mm or 20mm. And we ended up upgrading to the Max Pro 200 for that reason. We use a memory stick to get the drawings from the computers upstairs and then move it down to here. And we've got a dedicated laptop for doing the drawings ourselves if we need to. From the point of ordering, things move really smoothly then to the installation, and there was always a lot of communication about when it was going to be, so that was fantastic. And when they came in, it was all set up in one day and we were using it on the next day. We get a lot of plating for our buildings which have got various shapes, which would take such a long time on our old system. Per project we're probably saving, for the shape plates that we normally have on, say, an 80-ton building, we're probably saving a day by using the plasma table. So I definitely recommend KUTAVAR. Anyone I speak to, if they're looking for something in the right price range, that's something that can do the job and do it quick, I definitely recommend KUTAVAR.